Is your newborn always waking up every hour, or even wanting to sleep only on your arms, and when you put them down, sleep goes? Before you blame yourself, here is something you should know. Most parents are making one or two simple mistakes without even realizing it. And in this video, I'll be showing you 7 easy newborn sleep tips that can help your baby sleep better. And trust me, you don't want to miss the last tip, because it is the mistake I see parents make all the time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pristel. So if you're a new parent or expecting a baby, you are in the right place. Alright guys, let's jump straight right into the video. Okay? Tip number 1, learn your baby's sleep cues. So this is the first tip you need to watch out for instead of waiting for your baby to start crying. Many parents think that crying is the first sign of tiredness. It is actually a late sign. So by the time your baby starts crying, they are already overtired, and it will be difficult for them to fall asleep. So the sleep cues include yawning, rubbing their eyes or faces, fussiness which gradually increases, and becoming quieter than usual. So when you notice all these signs, please try putting your baby down before they become tired. Tip number 2, understand that newborn don't know day from night. Did you know that newborn are not born knowing the difference between daytime and nighttime? Hope you know that. So that is why they sleep for long hours during the day and stay awake at night. So to help them gradually develop a healthy sleep pattern, 1, you have to open the curtain during the day. 2, let them hear normal household sounds. 3, talk and interact with them during daytime feeding. 4, speak softly. 5, keep the lights dim at night. And 6, keep nighttime diaper changes and feeds quiet and calm. So with all this, it will teach their internal body clock over time. Tip number 3, swaddle safely. Many newborns sleep better when they are swaddled because it reminds them of the snugged feeling they had inside the womb. And swaddling can also reduce the startle reflex, which often wakes babies up suddenly. So always place your baby on their back to sleep, and make sure the swaddling is not too tight around the hips. And when you notice that your baby is showing signs of rolling over, stop swaddling. Okay? Tip number 4, create a simple bedtime routine. Even though your baby is still very young, a simple bedtime routine can make a big difference. It doesn't have to be complicated. For example, feed your baby, change the diaper, dim the lights, gently rock or cuddle them. Then you sing lullaby. If you don't know how to sing or you don't have voice, you can use all this white noise, yes, to calm them down, and also just place them in their sleeping space. Doing the same routine every evening will help your baby to recognize that it is time to sleep. Okay? Tip number 5, don't keep your babies awake for too long. This is one of the mistakes many parents make. They think that keeping their babies awake for too long will enable them to sleep better. In reality, it is the opposite. An overtired newborn becomes harder to settle because their body releases stress hormone, making it more difficult for them to fall asleep and stay asleep. But most newborns can stay awake for about 45 to 90 minutes before they can need sleep again. So you need to watch out for your baby's cue, not the clock, whenever possible. Tip number 6, make the sleep environment safe and comfortable. And your baby's sleep space should be simple and safe. The safest place for a newborn include on their back, in a firm and flat mattress, in a crib or bassinet without pillows. The room should be comfortably cool, not too hot, not too cold, because overeating can increase the risk of sleep-related problems. Tip number 7, which is the last tip. Don't expect your newborn to sleep throughout the night. This is probably the most important tip, yes, because many parents worry when their baby wakes up every 2 to 3 hours. But here is the truth. It is completely normal. Babies have tiny stomach and they need frequent feedings both day and night. and their sleep patterns are much shorter than adults. So instead of expecting your baby to sleep throughout the night, try to focus on helping them to sleep safely and comfortably. So as your baby grows, their sleep pattern naturally stretches. Okay? Alright guys, there you have it. 7 tips to help your baby to sleep better. But remember, every baby is different. Yes. What works for one baby might not work for another, and that is okay. You just need to be patient with yourself and your little one. This stage is not forever. Yes, it will pass. Okay? Alright guys, if you found my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. How old is your baby and what is your biggest sleep challenge? Also share to a new parent. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.